Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to create a Kanban board in Jira. First, go ahead and log into your Jira account. And now you need to have a company managed project. If you don't have one yet, go ahead and create a new one. Now, go to software development and choose Kanban. Then, use the template. Now, select a company managed project. After that, type in a name for it. Then go ahead and create your project. You can invite a teammate or skip it. Once created, you will automatically have your Kanban board created. But if you want to create another one, just go ahead and click the plus sign button here and choose on Kanban. Now type in a name for your board. Then you can go ahead and choose on what to include in your board. After that, just create it. And there you have it. You now have another Kanban board that you can go ahead and configure. And that's just basically it. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tutorials.